Hey everyone, this is Chase with Rocky Mountain ATV MC giving you a closer look at the light bar mounts from Tusk for the Polaris XP1000 Turbo S. All right everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we want to show you these light bar mounts from Tusk for the Polaris XP1000 Turbo S. We all know that light bars, definitely one of those accessories that a lot of riders like to have. So if you're looking to get a light bar setup, you want easy mounting and also just add some good looks to your machine, definitely the route to take. So the way these are made, they're powder coated steel, so super strong. And what I love about these is the mounting. Very easy to mount because if you have your stock roof on your XP1000 Turbo S, that roof already has holes drilled. So literally, you're just gonna bolt these right onto your roof. You can also see we've got the Tusk Aluminum Roof from Tusk. This roof also has holes that are pre-drilled for these light bar mounts. So you literally just take your mounts, take the included hardware, bolt it on, and you are good to go. Now you will notice that we've got this mounted up with our Tusk 30-inch curved light bar. We designed these mounts specifically to work with the 30-inch curved or the 30-inch straight light bar from Tusk. All light bars are a little bit different in width, so we designed it specifically for the width of these two light bars. Now these do pivot back and forth just a little bit to accommodate either the 30-inch curved or the straight. So just keep that in mind. But if you have questions or comments about this, we will definitely get those answers. So leave your questions below. And to pick up yours, and it's really simple, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. You can buy the light bar mounts just by themselves, or we have these kitted, so you can get the mounts and the light bar all in one-stop shop just to make it a little bit easier for you. Orders over $75 ship free, and while you're on our website, as you can see, we have a lot of other great accessories from Tusk for the XP1000 Turbo S. So enter the make, the model, and the year of your machine, and that's going to show you everything built specifically for your side-by-side. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.